Waking up to a nightmare. Overnight, a series of violent tornadoes tore through northern Texas, leaving a trail of destruction that has changed lives forever. The sirens weren't enough. We are confirming at least two fatalities and dozens of homes reduced to rubble. This isn't just another storm, it's a community in crisis. Today, we're looking at the immediate aftermath, the heroic rescue efforts currently underway, and the stories of survival emerging from the wreckage. This is the reality on the ground in North Texas. It began late last night as a supercell formed over the plains. Forecasters had warned of severe weather, but the speed and intensity of this specific twister caught many off guard. Witnesses describe a sound like a freight train, the classic terrifying signature of a major tornado. By 2 a.m., the heart of the storm hit residential areas. Entire roofs were lifted, century old trees uprooted, and power lines snapped like toothpicks, plunging thousands into total darkness. Emergency dispatchers were flooded with calls from families trapped in their storm cellars and bathrooms. The human cost is heartbreaking. Authorities have confirmed two deaths, a stark reminder of the power of nature. Search and rescue teams have been working through the debris since the first light of dawn. But amidst the tragedy, we're seeing the best of Texas. Neighbors are out with chainsaws clearing roads before the city crews can even arrive. First responders from across the state are pouring in, using thermal imaging and canine units to ensure no one is left under the debris. Temporary shelters are already popping up in local high schools to provide food and a place to sleep for those who have lost everything. The road to recovery will be long. Governor's offices are already in talks with FEMA to declare a state of emergency. For the families here, the focus isn't on the why yet, it's on the what now. If you are in the area, please stay off the roads to allow emergency vehicles through. Gas leaks remain a major concern, so authorities are asking everyone to be extremely cautious when returning to their properties. The resilience of North Texas is being tested today, but if history is any indicator, they will rebuild. Our hearts go out to everyone affected by this disaster. If you want to help the relief efforts, we've put links to verified local charities in the description below. Stay safe, stay informed, and we'll bring you more updates as they come in. Don't forget to subscribe for more breaking news coverage. I'm Rajesh from RJ Info channel, and we'll see you in the next one.